Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable watchlist movements on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. So then you click here on push notifications. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to watch list movement. Click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here watch list movements disable, notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.